Since time immemorial, humanity has sought in nature not only food, but also remedies and flavors that transform daily life. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of fenugreek, a plant simple in appearance, but with an amazing history, uses, and benefits. So join us on this journey, where you will discover why fenugreek has been valued throughout the centuries and how you can incorporate it into your daily life to improve your well-being and surprise your palate. Fenugreek, whose scientific name is Trigonella phoenum graecum, is one of those botanical gems that has crossed borders and generations. Originating from the Mediterranean region and Western Asia, its presence dates back to civilizations as ancient as the Egyptian and Greek. In Egyptian papyri, fenugreek was already mentioned both for its culinary and medicinal virtues. The Romans and Greeks used it as a spice, but they also employed it in ointments and as part of sacred rituals. In India, fenugreek is a staple in everyday cooking and Ayurvedic medicine. The seeds are added to curries, pickles, and breads, while the fresh leaves, known as methi, provide a unique flavor to soups and vegetable dishes. Its cultivation also extends to Egypt, Morocco, and parts of Europe, where its adaptation to dry and warm climates makes it a hardy and easy-to-maintain plant. Fenugreek fields bloom with small white flowers, and their pods contain the prized golden seeds, rich in nutrients and active compounds. But what makes fenugreek so special in cooking? Its versatility is perhaps one of its greatest attributes. The fresh leaves, with a mild and slightly bitter flavor, can be used in salads, scrambles, and stews. They are an essential ingredient in traditional dishes like Indian aloo methi, where the combination of potato and fenugreek creates a perfect balance of texture and flavor. The seeds, on the other hand, have a more intense taste, slightly sweet, with nutty notes and an earthy undertone reminiscent of maple syrup. They can be used whole, toasted to soften their bitterness, or ground to blend into spice mixes like curry and garam masala. In baking, fenugreek adds depth to flatbreads such as naan and chapati. And in modern cuisine, creative chefs experiment with its flavor in sauces, dressings, and even infusions. Its crunchy texture and penetrating aroma transform any dish, transporting us to distant markets full of color and life. Fenugreek is not only a delight for the palate, but also a powerful ally for health. These small seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which helps regulate intestinal transit and maintain healthy digestion. Additionally, they contain saponins and flavonoids, antioxidant compounds that help protect cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. One of the most studied benefits of fenugreek is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Various studies have shown that regular consumption of fenugreek can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose spikes, making it an ideal supplement for people looking to prevent or manage type 2 diabetes. Additionally, fenugreek is known for its positive effect on hormonal health, especially in women, as it can help alleviate symptoms of premenstrual syndrome and menopause. Its richness in proteins and essential amino acids makes fenugreek an ally for athletes and people looking to naturally increase their muscle mass. It has also been traditionally used to stimulate breast milk production in lactating women and to improve energy and overall vitality. Even in the field of natural cosmetics, Fenugreek is used in masks to strengthen hair and nourish the skin. Now that we know the origin, uses, and benefits of fenugreek, we want to invite you to live a different experience, where this wonderful ingredient is the star. At Cantina 33, located at 5 Campomanes Street, in the heart of Madrid, Chef Sonny Montero has created a menu where fenugreek shines in all its glory. Imagine tasting a Venezuelan stew with the special touch of fenugreek seeds, or a fresh salad in which the leaves of this plant add an aromatic and refreshing nuance. Cantina 33 is not just a restaurant, it is a meeting point for lovers of good food, innovation, and tradition. The menu combines international and Venezuelan dishes, all prepared with fresh and selected ingredients, where fenugreek is the common thread of a unique culinary experience. The chef's creativity is reflected in every bite, and the warmth of the atmosphere turns each visit into a celebration. Imagine sharing a dinner with friends or family, surrounded by the best company, enjoying exotic flavors that awaken your senses. At Cantina 33, you will not only nourish yourself with delicious food, but also gain the knowledge and inspiration to incorporate fenugreek into your own cooking. Because eating well is much more than just feeding yourself. It is taking care of yourself, your loved ones, and opening the door to new experiences. So the next time you look for a nutritious, versatile ingredient full of history, think of fenugreek. Dare to experiment in your kitchen, or come to Cantina 33 and discover how this little treasure can transform your meals and your health. Remember that every choice at the table is an opportunity to improve your life and those around you. Don't forget to support us with a like, subscribe, to receive more content about ingredients, recipes, and wellness, and share this message with those who enjoy good food and a healthy life. We await you at Cantina 33, where the passion for cooking and the love for authentic ingredients come together in every dish. Dare to try fenugreek and be amazed by all it has to offer.